Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HCMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a healthy day, but emphasis there being overall because there is some perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought on the gap up this morning and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, from that perspective, things are not looking so good because after the gap up, the price just pulled back the rest of the day. So from that angle, yeah, things are not looking good. But assuming you care about more than just a day and you're not some sort of day trader, flipper, or scalper, then everything is still perfectly fine. In fact, today the price made progress because if you look at where the lows were on Friday, they were down here. Now you look at where the lows were today, and those lows are right there. So if you envision those as stair steps, then hey, now you have some little miniature stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. Now, also don't get me wrong, just because the price put in some higher lows does not mean that for sure guaranteed this thing is going to explode upwards. But the point here being that from the overall standpoint, everything is still perfectly fine. I mean, the price is still well up above that green line, which I talked about previously. But even, putting that aside, with those higher lows being put into play, that's certainly a step in the right direction. So from an overall, multi-day perspective, the bulls are still drifting the price upwards and pushing the price upwards, and that's what you want to see. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, first key level to watch closely moving forward, going to be right up there at 0055. Actually, let me change that to red for resistance. So 0055 will be that first key level, and then after that, next key area will be what I would assume going to be a much more stubborn level right up there at 006. So 0055, 006, next couple of roadblocks to watch moving forward. But all in all, like I said, from the overall standpoint, good movement today. So let's see if the price can continue to grind and build upon this overall uptrend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.